Alright guys, this is Sai and I'm just gonna show you my airplane collection. Okay, let's start up here. The Air France 707 with KLM MD-11, KLM 777, Air Tahiti A340, Easyjet A319, and these Scandinavian Airlines CRJ900 next generation. Very beautiful piece of aircraft. British Airways 747, two Thomas Cook A330s 300 and 200, and the Scandinavian Airlines A340, Finnair A340, two British Airways Concordes. Very beautiful, very beautiful. The Mearsk Air 737. Over here we've got the Lufthansa A380. Very beautiful piece of aircraft. Gear modeling. Very beautiful. And up here we've got the Scandinavian Airlines MD-80. Very beautiful. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you like my airplane collection, and I hope you'll subscribe. Thank you.